G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing a review of Fortnite on the Galaxy S8 Plus. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. So Fortnite on Android has finally landed, and for the first little bit, it's exclusive to the Galaxy Samsung line of phones. Now I got the Galaxy S8 Plus. I've held off on upgrading to the S9, S9 Plus, and all the Apple fans have had Fortnite for forever. But then Fortnite and Google decide they don't want to work together. Fortnite wants all the profits, Google wants 30%, something like that anyway. So they've had a falling out, and so we have to download Fortnite via an APK from their website. Now this to me is a little bit of a gimmick. I'm really not happy with this setup. First thing is, it took forever to download. Once it finally downloaded, it took forever to initialize. By this time it passed, it was at least half an hour. I had to go, I had stuff I had to do. So I went out for a few hours, came back, went to start playing the game again, and I had another download, an update. This took forever to download and forever to install and initialize. Now you might say, oh, you got a crappy phone, or you got a crappy internet, or whatever. Look, I'm installing it on the Galaxy S8 Plus. I have 100 megabit download speeds through my internet. It's not slow. The phone should not be slow. The internet's not slow. This is just the experience we get when downloading an APK from the Fortnite website. Now, putting Fortnite together with an APK and a gimmick is not real cool. Gimmicks I can handle. APKs I can handle. But when you put the two together, you're begging for trouble, and that's what we've got here. Then I finally get to download the game. I finally start playing it, and I'm thinking, hang on, is this PUBG or is this Fortnite? Because it pretty much looks like PUBG to me. Now I'm an Android user, so that might be part of that experience, but this is where I'm at. Then all of a sudden, the lag hits. The lag. I'm like 30 seconds into this game. I'm parachuting down to the ground and I'm thinking, what is going on here? Why is this so bad to play? The lag was horrendous. I was swinging my axe to cut a tree and I couldn't cut the tree. I didn't know I was cutting it because the lag was so bad. Or I would run towards a tree and all of a sudden I've gone past it because the lag, the frame rates, it just skipped from here to here. I'd skip past the tree. Next thing I've fallen off a cliff. It was horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. What is going on, Fortnite? So I would normally review a game and I'd go through 4 categories. Addictiveness, ease of use, ads, and blah, blah, blah. This game's not even in the same ballpark. It is that bad. The experience was horrible. It was like playing Asphalt 8 on a Moto C, for crying out loud. So I cannot understand why Fortnite have released such a bad version of this game, especially for the Galaxy S8 Plus. I mean, this should be one of the fastest devices around. It's not. And you can really see the lag and the loss of frame rates, and it's just horrible to play this game. So bad that I will not be playing it again anytime soon. If this was a tangible product that you bought off the shelf, you would take it back and you'd throw it at the person that sold it to you and you'd say, give me my money back. I don't know how these people in the internet world get away with making such rubbish. Now you might say, again, that it's me, or that it's my internet, or that I'm an idiot. And you're probably right. I don't really care. But this is my experience, and you can't take that away from me. Fortnite on the Galaxy S8 Plus is like slapping myself in the face with a wet fish. So that is my experience and my review of Fortnite on the Galaxy S8 Plus. Fortnite, you can shove it where the sun don't shine. I ain't interested in your laggy crap. That's it for the game review of Fortnite on the Galaxy S8 Plus. If you think I'm an idiot, hit the like button. If you think I'm a double idiot, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check out.